Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to boost your laptop's speed and performance with just a few simple tweaks. Let's get started. Step 1. First, click on the battery icon in the taskbar. From there, set the power mode to best performance. This ensures your laptop uses its full potential when it comes to processing speed and responsiveness. Step 2. Next, right-click on your desktop and select Graphics Properties or Display Settings depending on your system. Go to the Display options, then increase the refresh rate and click Apply. A higher refresh rate makes your display smoother and more responsive, especially during multitasking or gaming. Step 3. Now, go back and open the 3D Options tab. If your laptop's graphics settings are currently set to Quality or Balanced mode, switch it to Performance mode and click Apply. This will prioritize speed and frame rate over visual effects, giving you a noticeable performance boost. Step 4. Next, return to the main menu and click on Power Options. Here, you'll see settings for when your laptop is plugged in. This setting determines how your laptop performs while charging. Make sure it's set to maximum performance to get the best results during heavy use. And that's it. After making these adjustments, you should notice your laptop running faster, smoother, and more efficiently whether you're gaming, editing, or just browsing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.